Welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today I was just making some Christmas ornaments for my tree, and when I was making the gnome ones I thought, well, I think I'll share those today. And this is what they look like. Little gnome ornaments I'm making with yarn. And they don't take but a couple minutes to make, and they're really inexpensive, cute little ornaments. So you just want to take your Bernat blanket yarn. That's what I'm using. It's the thicker yarn. And if you use that thicker yarn, then you'll know the count will be right. So what I do is I take and wrap it around my 4 fingers here. They're stretched out a little bit. 30 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll go around 30 times. There we go. And then you just want to pull it off your hand like that. Grab a hold of the bottom part. Keep the top part exposed like that. And just wrap the top part. This is the part that will become his hat. So you just want to keep wrapping that around. You don't have to do the very top because that's where the pom-pom is going to be glued on. I go around it about 3 times. And then you just want to take it and cut it right like that. And we'll glue this end piece on with just a little bit of glue. And then we're going to cut the loops at the bottom. Make sure I have them all here. And then we'll put a green pom-pom. You can get these pom-poms for 150 of them for $6.99 on Amazon. They're 1-inch green pom-poms. So 150 of them for $6.99. So that would make quite a few ornaments. So you want to put your, I'm sticking to my nail here, your green pom-pom on the top, and then your 1/4-inch wood ball, which you can get 100 of these for $4.99 on Amazon. So put those right at the bottom here of your hat. Put one of those on there. Like that. And then I trim up the bottom so it's a little bit even. And that's all there is to it. Put them on one of those steel little hooks and put them on your Christmas tree. So you can do these in any color. And you just want to use that blanket yarn. It's the thicker yarn. See, I've got my row all set up there. And I wanted to tell you about the video that I'm going to be doing on Saturday. I'm going to be doing Mr. Happy Jingles. He's over here. And this is what he looks like. He's a sock gnome. And he's really cute. And I'll be doing him Saturday's video. So look forward to seeing him. So that's all I wanted to say to you this morning. Hope you have fun making these ornaments. and I will see you on Saturday. If you like this video, make sure to like, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.